This is the most outrageous trick in the forging competition. Blind box crucible steel. It contains not only high-carbon steel bullets that make MS-level bladesmiths turn pale at the mere mention, but also small square steel pieces that even JS-level bladesmiths find a headache to hammer. The rules of this competition require the contestants to each blindly select a black crucible and use the materials inside to forge a distinctive short blade within 3 hours, as the host gives the command. The 4 contestants immediately step forward to choose their blind boxes. William draws a small round W1 high-carbon steel piece. This material is extremely difficult to heat. Leo knocks out 3 high-carbon steel bullets, which also pose a great challenge, but the unluckiest one has to be Diane, who draws 8 small steel pieces. This material not only needs to be stacked one by one but also welded together. Moreover, a slight mistake could easily lead to cracking later on. What drives him even more crazy is that 7, the most skilled MS-level bladesmith among the contestants, actually draws the simplest stacked Damascus steel. 7 also says that this is one of his most commonly used forging techniques, and he can handle it with ease. After stacking is completed, he skillfully welds them and puts them into the furnace for forging. Leo, who draws 3 steel bullets, is more cautious. He decides to use only 2 of them for heating and welding. By doing so, he can not only save time, but also keep 1 steel bullet as a backup in case of mistakes. William, who draws the W1 small cylinder, decides to stack and weld them in pairs. It can greatly improve the success rate. 1 hour has passed, and 7 steel billet is the first to be heated. He first sprinkles flux to aid fusion, and then starts stamping it on the machine. The steel billet fuses perfectly. Next, he confidently uses a power hammer for high-intensity forging. The final forging effect also receives unanimous approval from the judges. It has to be said that when a top-tier bladesmith forges a knife, it's a pleasure to watch and incredibly smooth. William's W1 steel is also forged very smoothly. He puts it on the power hammer and directly extends and lengthens it. The next step is shaping. On the other side, Leo is also a formidable opponent. Although the steel billet shows a bit of layering after forging, it can be successfully remedied with the help of flux for fusion. At the same time, Diane's 8-in-1 steel billet is finally forged and starts stamping on the machine. Surprisingly, his steel billet only needs 2 stamps to complete the seam fusion. After confirming it's correct, he quickly uses the power hammer to extend and lengthen it from the color of the steel billet. It's clear that the effect is perfect. Up to this point, none of the 4 contestants have encountered problems in their operations, which makes the judges even more eager to see the final knives. So which contestant's knife will stand out? Let's wait and see.